Hey everybody, happy Monday. Welcome back to break. I hope you're doing well. Let's check out a really quick little overview on how to do this. So you're going to listen to heart sounds today, like with the doctor when they listen to your heart. A little review from last week, right? So you have your heart, you have one side pumping oxygen, one side pumping CO2, and then there's all these little doors in here, which we call valves. When a doctor listens to your heart, what they're listening for is not your heart pumping. They're actually listening for these doors opening and closing. When you listen to a heart sound, a healthy heart sound, you hear this noise that's like boom, 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 boom. And what you're hearing is actually the top doors and the bottom doors closing. You're hearing a boom, 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 boom. And as those doors close, it makes sure that blood goes in the right direction. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on here, and it's going to take you to these sounds. There's a lot of them in here. We're not having you listen to all of them, but you are going to listen to a couple, and those are all in this table. So like you're going to listen to the normal, S3, mitral stenosis, um, and as you go through, you'll listen and you'll think about what's going wrong. And keep in mind, if you hear boom, 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 the doors are closing at the correct times. These are all people who are having heart problems, and you're not going to hear that normal boom, 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 boom. And I want you to do a prediction of what do you think is going wrong? What is the problem? What are you hearing? And that's all going to go in this data table. And then you're going to talk a little bit about how maybe we would fix it. Good luck. Enjoy. I think this is kind of a fun, cool way to think about the way your heart works. And we will see you guys on Tuesday.